Tree by Rose and Bruno Mars on Amazon Music.
Wait, wala pa. Malapit na. Excited na yan si Mishka. Excited na siya. She's going to meet Kuya after 5 months. Not yet. Not yet. Ganyan. Ate, excited ka ayo. Hinintay lang namin sa Ate Gladys kasi pupunta siya dito and then kagala yung mga nanay. So, ito yung first time na magkikita ulit si Klein and si Mishka. And excited talaga si Mishka. Yun yung isang reason din na pumunta kami dito para magkita sila. Kasi miss na yung kanyang BFF. Miss na si Kuya. Are you excited? Who's coming?
Kuya!
Kuya is coming.
Open the door!
Not yet. They're not yet there. Excited to meet Kuya. Come on, say Kuya! Wait, we don't know how to... Station. Hi, Kuya. Hi, Kuya. Hi, bangs. Lagot ko sa hangin, ha? Oh, grabe, ha? Sana ako nakaambit. Wow. You did not hug, Kuya. Stoy. You hug, Kuya. You did not hug, Kuya. Wala na silang pakialam. Hug, Mishka. Oh. Oh. Yan yung miss na miss eh. Hoy. No running. Hindi pa kami nakaalis. Bagong pagkikita pa lang. Pagod na yung mga nanay. 10 minutes. Meron kaming 10 minutes na Uber paparating. You get tired? Let's go. Sorry, let's guys. Go na kami. Go.
Come here, Mishka. Wait, the horse. Mom, I want candy. Knock, knock, knock. Open the candy. Let's see what. Ding dong. That is the door. That is the car. It's a car?
to complete yung Christmas tree.
Ang ganda ngayon, no? Ang ganda.
Mommy!
Yes.
Mommy!
Yes.
It's a big tower.
Under construction siya. Dagdagan pa yung sa taas.
Mommy!
Ayun, oh.
Mommy! Everybody's mommy!
Yeah?
Paras lang kapal.
Ang buhok, pareho. Yan yun. Ang cute naman ng ano, peacock na design. Pero yung Christmas tree nila, hindi pa buo.
Okay, let's go!
Mishi! Let's go na. Hi, hi, hi.
Let's go, let's go!
Yeah? Dito tayo mag-ano, lunch. Later. We'll eat food first. Let's go. Parang may picture siya nung isang araw nito. Ang ganda naman pala, oh. Ito yung promotor, eh. Somtom. Parang ano sa atin? Ano nga yung tawag? Yung salad. Let me try chicken. Yes. Thank you. Meron kami na try. Oo. Ang parte niya sa inyo, te. Kumpaw, baby. Parang tayo. Okay, start. Start. Tawa-tawa ako. Ito na. Back. Wow. Wow, purple lang rice. Only in India may purple. Want this, Mimi? Sarap na. May kasi dami. Slowly, slowly. Dito tayo sa Hamleys. Play zone. There. Come on, let's go, Mimi. Here. Michelle, let's go. Oh, wow. You want to play, love? Ayan tayo. Wait for Kuya. Wait for Kuya. Okay. I will be here. No, Mommy. I'm here. I'm here. Okay?
Mom, Mom, come back home.
Okay. No, I'm here. You and Mishka will play, okay? Go. Okay, go. Go. Okay, go. Yung aking dalawang mga kasamahan, nag-shopping sila. Ako yung naiwan dito sa mga kids. Anyway, wala din naman kasi akong bibilhin na anything. Mag-shopping sila all they want. Ako yung bahala dito sa mga kids. And si Mishka, sobrang happy siya na nandito na naman kami sa playground, play area. Tapos meron siyang kasama na happy siya ba. Mishka, let them go first na. Okay, now you can go up. Klein, Mishka is here, Klein. Go up there. Mishi, say hi to this afam. Hi. What's your name? Tia. Tapos na kaming maglaro. Oh, let's go, let's go. You wait for Kuya. Wait, Mishka. Umakyat lang naman yun sa taas. Mimi, this side. Mag-Starbucks daw kami. Magkakape yung mga girls. Let's go. Slowly, no running. No running. Okay, okay, wait. Yung dalawa, pagod yan, kakalaro. We're just waiting for our order. Inulit-ulit lang. Dito na kami sa labas, guys. Pauwi na kami. Mimi, others train, ah? Chuchu train. Go. Stand there, oh. It's so nice, oh.
Go inside, okay?
Here, outside lang. We'll take picture here. Alert yan silang dalawa kapag magpa-picture na. Look here! Wait, 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 wait. Wait, wait. May chocolate pa. Okay, okay. Here, look! Two of you. Hi, abaw. Nag-dance silang dalawa. Instead na mag-picture, sumayaw. Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay, stand up, stand up. Oh, stand up, stand up. It's fine. Let's go. Yes, it's fine. It's fine.
Mommy, Kuya!
We're going home. Now see, it's traffic. Traffic na.
I want Kuya!
Okay, tomorrow we'll see Kuya again.
No, I want Kuya!
No, we have to give that to Sophie. Sophie, she got you a present, Sophie. Christmas gift.
My sports day on December 4th.
Yeah, because we won't be seeing you after this, right? So that's her.
I'm doing the march past and the basketball in the house.
Hindi na, busog man ko. Ikaw. May chicken pa nga doon. Oo. Para hindi ka na mag-ano.
Oh, that's good. It's a piggy you that.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Mishka.
Hmm.
Wait a second.
So,
Yeah, I know this.
partner nito. Ganyan. Tingnan niyo naman, ang daming fancy dress ni Sophie. Ipapamana kay Mishka. Yes. Ito si Sophie. Ito yung nagpapamana kay Mishka palagi ng mga dress. Okay, which one you want? Ito talaga yung ano niya. Yeah. She likes unicorn.
Fancy dress niya.
May super.
Super na. Tapos palda yan siya.
Every year bumibili ka.
Oo nga, kasi nagpa-fancy dress sila. Kaya
Oo.
hanap ako sa Amazon.
Oo, every year.
How do we know?
Hindi na si Mishka mapakali kung ano yung susuotin, oh. Oo, one day lang. Next year, iba na naman yung kailangan niyang suit. Ito yung favorite. Okay.
Ay, gusto niya.
She looks adorable.
siya. Ito si Sophia the first. May ano ito, may headdress.
Kahit sa bahay, gusto niya mag-ano.
Ay, masulit mo. Para masulit.
You're
Labhan mo lang to. Pagkain to ni Sophia, yan naman ng bata. Hindi ko siya ito nalabhan.
Malaki pa, Mish. Maybe this for next year.
How are you supposed
Yung ano niya, gustong gusto sa Amazon na palaging tinitingnan.
Like, how do we even draw an earthquake? Give me an idea, Mom.
Parang isang kami pang batote.
Bra.
Oh, dito lang yan sa bahay niya sinusuot-suot. Pag gusto niya mag-costume siya.
She's
costume
so
siya.
like this.
Hindi niya nga sinuot yan sa labas, Jayan. Dito lang
Dito
yan sa
lang
bahay. Oo, pag
My little unicorn.
Ay, nag-costume sila sa sa school. Tapos sinuot niya yan.
Look here. Yan Ate Sophie.
My little unicorn. She's so cute.
Ito malaki pa to.
Did you watch my video, Darky Style? You like my video, Darky Style? Bye.